I'm always asked why my bathroom is so fragrant. That's the secret. That's right, folks. After this tip, the smell of your bathroom will never be the same. So, you will do the following. Take 2 bars of neutral soap and let's grate it very well. And then, we're gonna put it all in a pot. Once that's done, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of washing powder. Then let's also add fabric softener. You can use whatever you prefer, but if possible, use a concentrated one, so the smell will be much better. And for this, we're gonna add just 1 cup of fabric softener. Now, we're also gonna need 1 unit of those sanitary stones or gels for toilets, alright? Go ahead and take the grater. Then, let's also grate this very well. After this, just finish with 1.5 liter or about 50 ounces of water, just plain water at room temperature. Now folks, this is what we're gonna do. Let's bring it to medium or low heat, okay? And let's stir this very well until all the ingredients dissolve. Alright, after melting all the ingredients, this is the texture we get. Now we can turn off the heat. And then let's do the following. You're gonna get these cartons, and it can be milk or juice ones. Then just cut them in half like this. Then go ahead and pour our mixture into the cartons. And now, just wait until they set. You don't need to put in the fridge though, you can leave it out, it's pretty quick. And check this out guys, it has already set and look how easy it is to remove them. You can do it just using your hands. Now, let's cut here about 1 finger thick, alright? No need to cut bigger than that, so go ahead and slice it and then just store the slices. Alright, and here folks, let's do the following. In your toilet, remove this cover. Then, take only 1 gel slice and toss it in there. Now, close it again. But before giving the first flush, you need to wait at least 10 minutes so that the gel dissolves a little and mixes with the water. Very well folks, it's been about 10 minutes already, let me flush it. And check it out. This is how the water is gonna look. And let me tell you, this smell, you have no idea, it's actually pretty good. But now, when is the right time to add another gel? Pretty simple, whenever you notice that the flushing water is not coming out blue anymore. Here at home, a gel like this lasts an average of 5 to 7 days. After that, the water starts to clear, and then I just put another gel in. And you saw how much we managed to make with only 1 recipe. It's actually a lot. As you can see, we made all of that with just 1 sanitary stone or gel. And for sure, all that amount we just made lasts more than a month. You can feel a very pleasant aroma since the very first use, leaving your bathroom fresh and fragrant. And of course, it also helps to keep it clean because of the washing powder. All of that being said, you have to give it a try. You have guests, they're gonna use your bathroom, and they're gonna see this blue water coming out. So they will surely be surprised and ask you, what did you do or use for this?